Hello everyone. In this video we will create an animated container. Uh, First we will start with creating a container by giving it a height of 100 and width of 100. Also we will give it a color of orange and we will restart the app. I think the changes have not loaded yet. Till that is done, we will change the name title of the app to Flutter Animations. So animations, and here you can see that our container is visible now. Next we will let's see. Next we will create. We'll start by the late, and then we will create a animation controller, and we will name it controller. Then we will define our init state, and in the init state we will assign a value to the controller. As you can see that the animation controller takes vsync property, and we will also pass the duration property, and we will keep the duration to 2 seconds. Then we will extend with single ticker provide state mixin, which will provide us this property, this value that we can assign to vsync in the animation controller. So next what we can do is wrap it with the transform widget, and we will give it the alignment value, and we will keep the alignment at center. Then we will give it the transform. We will give the value to transform property. We will write matrix 4 and then call it, and with cascading we will identity, and then we will call the rotate z, and then we will provide it a value 0, which won't show anything, so we have to provide it a different value than 0 in order to show the shape of the container in a different way. So for that what we can do is that we can create another variable, a late and animation, and then we will write underscore animation, and we will also provide the value to it in the init state function. And animation we will tween we have to provide it, and then we will begin with 0, and then we will provide the end value, and which will be 2 into pi. If you don't know about 2 into pi, pi stands for 180, and 2 means it is going from 0 to 360, and then we will dot animate and then controller. Okay, what this dot animate function will do is that it will accept the controller and accept the value from here. So next we have to just call the repeat function of the controller. Then we will come down to our code, and we will provide the value animation dot value here instead of 0.0, and then we will wrap it with the animated builder widget, which will help rebuild this widget and show us the actual animation builder, and then we have to return this widget. One more parameter is required, that is animation, and we can provide the animation value, and you can see that the container is rotating on the x-axis. If we want to rotate it in the z-axis, then x-axis, then you can see how it is rotating now on the x. If we use Y, then it will rotate on the Y axis. You can see our animation is working properly. You can see the notes at the end of the video from here.